I don't think saying that God permits human beings to sin makes God culpable for their sin. Remember, it is God's absolute intention that they do the right thing, and He provides gifts of grace and strength to do the right thing in these moral situations. But He simply knows that sometimes people will misbehave and will do hideous and horrible things, and in that case, they themselves are culpable for choosing and doing what God does not want them to do. And so He is not culpable for their actions, even though He permits them the freedom to carry out those actions.